Welcome to All New Toufee. Creating videos with Toufee is simple and fun. To get started with a new video, you first need to select a style for your video. You can choose from a number of different video styles, ranging from a simple birthday or wedding video to more business-oriented videos like a teaser trailer, a review video, or a real estate tour. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's make a vacation video. One of the biggest USP of Toufee is that you do not need to know any designing or video editing to make a good-looking video. In the first step, we will select a theme for this video. As you can see, we already have a number of visual themes present for your video, and you can select any one of these for your video. After selecting a theme, press the Next button at the bottom of screen to move to step 2. In the second step, we can enter basic information for our video. These keywords help us organize and find our project quickly once we are done with our project. We can also enter our name and social information, which will be displayed within the video. This will help you connect with the viewers of this video. You can also customize the background of your video if you want something different from the default background of the theme we have selected in step 1. We also have option to select a background music for our video here. Another interesting feature is this watermark feature. This feature is only available for business account users. You can use this feature to add your logo or branding to your video as a watermark. Please note this Save Project button at the top right corner of the project screen as well. You can save your project at any stage by clicking this button. Once saved, you can also return to this project later and all your existing input will be intact. Once you have entered the required personalization information, click Next to move on to the third step in this wizard. This is the most crucial step of this project, and this is the one where Toufee really excel. Most video creation apps force you to think in terms of frames, scenes, timings, filters, and effects, which is not how our brain think about a task. To make the whole process of video creation natural and easy, instead of forcing you to think in terms of a video designer, we ask you a few simple questions, and your video is created on the basis of your answers. For example, in this case, the first and most obvious question is, what is the venue for your vacation or trip? You will also find helpful tips with each question to help you quickly figure out what is needed from you. Add your answer and click Next to move on to the next question. As you can see, each question is a conversational query asked as if you are talking to a friend. You will notice that even answers to your earlier questions are used in questions to make it more natural and easy to understand for you. At any point, you can use this Back button to move back to the previous question. Let's move on to the next question now. You can add your images by simply dragging them to this box or click on this box. You will also notice relevant alerts for your actions on the top right corner here. Please note that although we recommend you to answer all the questions, followed by this asterisk are mandatory. If you are not sure about the answer of other questions or if any question is not required in your case, you can skip it as well. One more thing. Please notice this project progress bar on the top. As you can see, we are currently on step 3 called questions. We can even click on any of these buttons to go back to a previous step as well. Now that we have answered these simple questions, let's click the Next button to move on to the last step. As you can see, your project is now ready for publishing. You can now download your project as a video by clicking this button. As you will notice, your project is now queued for conversion, and it will be available shortly. You do not need to refresh this page for any updates. As soon as your video is ready, you will be notified right here on this page. Also, you will get an email with a link to your video on your registered email address, and a new item will be added to your newsfeed. So if you want to continue working on another project, you can proceed with it. If you want to watch a Flash-based preview of your project, you can do so by clicking here. Your video is now ready for download. As this is an MP4 file, you can watch it directly on any PC, Mac, iPad, or mobile device. You can also upload it to YouTube, Facebook, or Twitter. Thanks for watching this video. You are now ready to create your first video. If you have any further questions or need any assistance, please drop a quick query to our support team.